Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get API Key Kucoin updated. Start by logging into your Kucoin account and navigating to the API management page in Settings. Verify account details and enable 2FA for security. Choose a clear label for the key, restrict IP addresses if desired, and select permissions like read or trade. Record your API key and secret in a secure place and never share them publicly. Head to the API management area and click Create API to start the process. Enter a descriptive name so you know which app uses the key and add a passphrase when prompted. Decide on permission scopes such as read or trade and optionally add IP restrictions for added safety. Confirm the creation, complete any email or 2FA verification, and copy both the API key and secret to a secure password manager. Treat your API keys like passwords by limiting permissions and not enabling withdrawals unless necessary for a trusted automation. Rotate keys on a regular schedule and promptly delete any keys that are no longer used. Use an encrypted password manager to store the API key, secret, and passphrase, and avoid saving them in notes or screenshots. Always enable 2FA on your Kucoin account and monitor access logs for unusual activity to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.